Speaking. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do?
It still smells in here.
Okay, so today's project, everybody.
Dun dun dun.
I like
We have to clean the fridge. Is it bad if I eat a tortilla for breakfast?
No. Put peanut butter on it, that way it's healthy.
Chia seeds kind of freak me out.
The what?
Chia seeds.
Why?
I don't know. What are they?
It's chia seeds and flax seeds. They like help keep you full. They expand your stomach and you get full.
Flax seeds are a vegan alternative to eggs in baking as a binding agent because they expand.
Fun fact. You can't really taste them.
Let me check. Yeah. True friend. A little bit.
Sprinkling up the goods.
It's like sprinkles. I love sprinkles.
Some of the heat broke last night.
If you're wondering where the apple cider vinegar is, we couldn't find any.
At the store. And if you're wondering who's always going to need a hearing aid after this, you are correct. Today's the day. We're going to the gym.
I don't want to go. But I got you guys have a double chin now, apparently.
What problems?
Don't make fun of me.
It's okay to have a double chin. Don't feel bad about yourself for loving food. And if you're just born double chin because you have no choice, slay.
All day.
Contour your problems from your chin away.
Like, I don't get this. Why can you see my collarbones, but you can't see my neck? Whatever. I don't care. I think I look great. Oh, we didn't get bananas. I can't have my peanut butter banana.
Peanut butter bananas, no! I need a peanut butter banana, no!
So, you know, substitute a tortilla for bananas. I'm gonna make a peanut butter taco.
You want oatmeal?
No.
No. No!
Breakfast of champions. I'm gonna be a champion. After I transfer my
Watch your
Planet
crotch.
Fitness membership here and start going to Planet Fitness and leaving you all at the Navy gym because I'm not going.
Can
there.
you microwave cheese?
Yeah.
Vegan cheese?
Yeah.
What if you take a tortilla, put some cheese on it?
If you usually put the peanut butter on over the cheese, I'm gonna smash your
No,
face.
no. You take a tortilla,
Yeah.
put cheese on it, microwave it. Put some crushed up avocado on it, some hummus. Breakfast wrap.
We
College.
should try.
So much college.
We should try to do a tofu scramble.
We got no tofu.
We should get some and try to do a tofu scramble. We should drink wine.
It is currently 12:22. Don't drink wine 12:22.
I'm suggesting wine.
Oh, like mimosas. Not yet.
See?
We got a lot of stuff to do today. We have to go to the bank.
Right?
We gotta go to the party store.
Party store.
Probably the grocery store again, because you know we're always eating, obviously. Here we go. Yeah, we're planning our next meal as we're sitting here eating.
And gym.
The gym, Clarissa's,
Cosmoproof.
Cosmoprof. This is when you end it, because I'm backing away.
I'm really depressed. Morgan's making me go to the gym today. And I forgot my shoes. So I had to borrow her shoes.
She says wear Doc Martens to the gym.
I don't know.
Why?
I go to Planet
You
Fitness.
can literally lock the door and then shut it.
We're
Stealing
learning.
all of Chris's change. Thanks, Chris.
Like, I can't decide if he's gonna think this is funny or like punch us both in the jaw. Okay, so we're about to go on base, and I'm not gonna film there because I'm afraid.
We've never done this. Look at the line. Look at the line for it.
We're gonna try to get in with just us.
And my ID. I'm kind of nervous though, because oh my god, I wish you could zoom
Did
in.
I give you mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish you could zoom in and see the hell hole of a swervy curve we have to
But
go
I'm
in.
not gonna film
It's
it
like,
because I'm afraid.
yeah, no, don't. I'm sweating.
I don't think I'm right there. I'm not, nope, not messing with that. Nope. Not having no government, nothing coming after me.
Maybe they can hear us.
Can you hear me? I gotta pee. I'm nervous shit.
Me too. I have the nervous shits right now. Don't not kill my vibe though. But I took it off though to have some like respect for myself and these people. Because they're military, so I guess you should have some respect.
I'm taking my hat off.
And we should not have Drake blasting when we
My
go
hair.
there.
What's that? I should have nothing on.
I'm so nervous!
You're nervous. I'm just a good lonely.
Just smile and act yourself.
Can I have your ID? Come here often.
We're lucky they didn't shut this gate down though, because I'd have no idea where to go after this. I'd be like, well,
I go to the gym today. I hope they shut the gate down. I go to Planet Fitness. I don't go to Navy Gym.
fitness pizza in your whole mouth.
I do fit this whole pizza mouth. I will fit so many things in my.
Oh, he was not having it.
Oh, he's over it. Look at who lifts a Cherokee?
Who does that? I don't know. He's got a tire on top. He's got a lot of tires going on.
Is it a Cherokee or is it a fucking Blazer?
Who lifts a Blazer?
Like, who just, like,
Can we just like look at sweating? He definitely judged my car because if you guys could see like how dirty it is and how like of a trash bag I look right now, you'd be like, ow.
he was nice though.
He was very nice.
What a nice.
And we found out that you can go through either lane. So next time we're going through the straight lane because you know why? We got enough curves of our own. We don't need more curves.
No, we need a little more. I'm a chunk.
You're not a chunk. Trying to
I'm
find
just a little chunk living in my chunk world. I can't control myself around food, and this is just the body that goes with it. This segment is called Zoe Drinks Pre-Workout.
Where did they go?
Where did they go?
Don't want you twitching out on me now. Twitch.
Ooh, that's gross.
It's so good. It's the best flavor. It's blue raspberry.
The other flavors taste like, that tastes like shit.
No.
Where the fuck are we going now?
The gym. Oh.
This is part of the vlog everyone's been waiting for. Jersey girl pumps her own gas. There's an older man staring at me.
What do I do? Do I put it in or do I like, what do I do first?
Are you paying in cash or card?
No card.
Okay, so you can put the card.
Yeah, but I think you have to plug it in. Oh my god, this is terrible. How do you pick what you want?
You press the button,
I don't want diesel though.
then don't press diesel.
Is it in? Is it going?
No, it's not going.
It's not?
No. Now it is, yeah, press it. You hold it. Hold it, girl.
It keeps like blocking. Oh, you know, you're just an asshole over here. First day pumping my own gas. Like my pipe. Oh, you're done? Oh, must be nice. You must be natural.
I'm just watching.
I'm just watching.
I'm just watching. You have a quarter of a tank.
I need more than that.
Yeah, trunk's open. This idiot. Love you. Finally.
No receipt.
No seat.
Woo! Now I gotta shut my trunk.
I think every car that was in here left and is replaced now with a new car. Because that's how long it took Morgan to
I'm never doing that again. Let's go.
We now present to you part 2 of Your Shit Stank with your friendly neighbor housemates.
We're going to war because our friend Clarissa told us when the guys have been gone that there was a power outage, so
That's why your shit stank.
everything in their fridge has to go. Bye-bye. See you later, Stanky. See you never.
I'm sorry. They don't have any emotional connection to this food.
Oh, this is not gonna be good.
Phase 1 is complete. We have emptied out the refrigerator, freezer.
I can't. Now we,
We also don't know what the garbage is, so we just put 4 bags of gigantic trash in the trash can. And we don't know when it's getting taken out. Figure it out. Figure it out. Without further ado,
Boys
we
and girls.
present to you.
what a fridge should look like.
Wouldn't you think my collection's complete?
What's behind door number 2?
It's a freezer!
With vodka.
With vodka, okay.
But it's all clean. You have no idea.
Honestly, it didn't even take us that long. We ravaged this. And now?
And now,
Wine.
wine.